চ্যাপ্টার 17.6 এই সিনটা তোমাদেরকে প্র্যাকটিক্যালি করে দেখাতে হবে। সো তোমরা এখন এই ভিডিও ক্লিপটা দেখো, দেন তোমরা এটা করতে পারবে।
How are you guys feeling today?
We are fine.
So, as you know, I am growing old, so I want to divide my kingdom among you three. So, I want to know which of you love me most and how. So, Goner, you speak first.
I love you more than my own eyesight. I love you more than anyone. I love you as much as my own life. In fact, I have no words that can describe my love for you.
Now, what does my second daughter, Regan, have to say? Tell me.
Father, my opinion is very close to my sister's. However, my love even goes further. For the sake of my love, I can reject all joys of my life. The only happiness in my life is your happiness.
Now you, my youngest daughter, my joy, what can you tell me that will make me give you the bigger part of my kingdom than I gave you sisters? Speak.
Nothing, my lord.
Nothing. Nothing will get you nothing. Speak again.
You brought me up and loved me, and I am just giving back as I should. I obey you, I love you, and honor you. How can my sisters speak the truth when they say they love only you? Don't they love their husband too?
Your answer is not satisfied. I'm going to divide my kingdom between Regan and Goner.